नवयुवक शिक्षण प्रसारक मंडळ चापोली, संजीवनी महाविद्यालय चापोली, affiliated by स्वामी रामानंद तीर्थ मराठवाडा University, Nanded. Good morning all the student of BSc TY, subject Zoology. Name of the paper Pisciculture. Paper number 13A, semester 5th, unit number 1. Topic, name of the topic Preparation and Management of Stocking Pond. Presented by myself, Dr. Thorat Mandakini Manohar, Assistant Professor and HOD of the Zoology Department. Yes, in the last period, we see the preparation and management of nursery pond, preparation and management of the rearing pond. In this period, we see that is preparation and management of stocking pond. First of all, what is meant by stocking pond? Stocking pond is the much larger, often 0.2 to 2 hectare. 0.2 to 2 height. It should be 2 to 3.5 deep. This pond might be perennial or seasonal. Perennial means those ponds they are used any season, or seasonal means those ponds they are used only the rainy season. Next also stocking pond to marketing pond, which is small but quite deep. So generally, as also we know what is meant by stocking. Stocking means those fishes they are transferred from nursery stage to rearing stage and then they are transported to the market. This type of the species is called a stocked species. In this stocked fishes or stocked species, they are stocked in the stocked ponds. So generally, stocking ponds, there are also two management are there takes. That is the first method is called pre-stocking management and second is a post-stocking management. First of all, we know what is meant by pre-stocking management. Pre-stocking management aims at the proper preparation of the ponds to remove the causes of poor survival, unsatisfactory growth, etc. and also be to ensure the ready availability of natural food in the sufficient quantity and quality for the swan or fry or fingerlings to be stocked. So thus generally in the pre-stocking management, that is first they are essential for to get the species availability of the natural food material in the sufficient quantity and quality for any stage like the span, fry, fingerlings to be stocked. Then also one by one step we are included in the pre-stocking management. Pre-stocking management, that is that the ponds need to be prepared such that the pond environment provides the optimum condition for the growth of fish. The pond environment should be free from predator, aquatic weeds, weed fish. It should have the optimum water quality parameters and the sufficient natural food should be available in the semi-intensive culture system. The steps also involved in the pre-stocking and post-stocking management are the similar in the nursery pond, rearing pond and grow out of the ponds. An additional step in the pre-stocking management in the nursery pond is the eradication of aquatic insect. Eradicate of aquatic insect means removal of the aquatic insect which are found near the pond water, which predate or which kill on the span and the fry. The pre-stocking pond management of drainable ponds which can be dried is as follows. First, that is draining and drying. Second, plugging. Third, liming. Fourth, filling with the water. And fourth is the fertilization. Perennial undesirable water bodies require the following additional pre-stocking management measures. Also in this, that is the control of aquatic weeds. Aquatic weeds means those plants which are found in the pond. They are ungrowthable, undesirable and harmful to the species of fishes. That is also the essential step is control of aquatic weeds. Next step is the eradication of the weed fishes and the predatory fishes and animals. Eradication of weed fishes means those fishes they are kill other species of fishes. They also remove out of the pond. Predatory fish means also these species of fishes they are killing the other species of fishes they also remove. And eradication of weed fishes means the aquatic weeds they are used by the food material. These type of the species of fish they also remove out of the pond. This is also essential step for the pre-stocking management. Nursery pond also require the eradication of aquatic insect as an additional pre-stocking management measure. Generally in the nursery pond, additional stage is the eradication of aquatic insect. Eradication means removal of aquatic insect which are found in near to the pond. They also remove because these aquatic insect they are used by the fish food. They also used by fish larvae, eggs and also they are harmful to the fishes. That is also they are removed out of the body. This is the additional step in the pre-stocking management. Next management is called post-stocking management. In this, that is the maintenance of 1 meter water depth is enough in the nursery pond. Among the chemical property, 3 to 8 ppm dissolved oxygen is good for stocking span. That is also in this necessary is the providing the oxygen to the stocking span. Carbon dioxide above 15 to 20 ppm is lethal to the fish. Lethal means to die the fish with the help of the carbon dioxide. That is also their percentage is also low. Also they to form the pH ranging between 7.5 to 8.5 is highly productive. When that is the pH is also maintained this pond because that is they having the capacity for the highly production. That is also their pH is maintained 7.5 to 8.5. And also the total alkalinity is the 100 to 125 ppm. He is highly productive in the water. Also 0.2 to 0.4 ppm of phosphate is good for the plankton production. That is also provided by the phosphate. They are essential for the production of zooplankton or phytoplankton which is used by the fish for the food material. And also 0.06 to 0.1 ppm nitrate are considered enough for the growth. That is also provided by the nitrate. They are essential for the growth of fish. Also 1 milligram of plankton in the 50 liter of water in the nursery pond is considered to be conducive for the stocking pond. Thus in this period we see that is the preparation and management of the stocking pond. They involve by the two stage. That is first stage is called a pre-stocking management and second is a post-stocking management. Yes, goodbye the student. Next period we see the next topic.